In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit battery charge in Windows 11. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Start by clicking the Start button, then type the name of your laptop manufacturer's app, such as Huawei PC Manager, MyAsys, Lenovo Vantage, or Dell Power Manager, and press Enter. These apps are important because Windows 11 itself doesn't have a built-in battery limit feature, so you'll need your device's official software. If you don't have the app installed, open the Microsoft Store, search for your laptop brand's app, and click Get to install it. Once installed, open the app to continue. For Huawei users, click the four-dot menu and go to Settings. From there, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Optimization or Battery, depending on your version. Inside this section, find the Smart Charge option and toggle it off. This allows you to manually control your charging limit instead of letting the system manage it automatically. Once Smart Charge is turned off, look for the Custom Limit or Battery Protection section. Turn on the Custom Limit switch, then click the drop-down or arrow icon to select your preferred maximum charge level. You can choose something like 70% or 80%, which helps reduce battery wear over time and extend your laptop's battery lifespan. After selecting your desired limit, you can close the app. The charging limit will continue to work in the background even when your laptop is plugged in or powered off. If you don't see these options in your Huawei PC Manager, you may need to update your system. Inside the app, go to the System and Updates section in the left sidebar. Make sure automatic updates are turned on for your PC Manager, drivers, and user guide. This ensures your system downloads the latest updates when your computer is idle. After updating, restart your laptop and the battery protection features should become available. Once everything is set, your laptop will now stop charging at your chosen percentage, helping maintain long-term battery health. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.